In this video, we're going to show you how to skip the Roku home screen and go straight to the cable box input. First, let's give a big shout out to Megan Crawford for submitting this video. And a big shout out to all the Cable Guy fans out there. Thanks for your support. We're coming up on 2,000 subscribers. Let's get it.
Start on the home screen. Click on Settings. Scroll up one to System. Go down to Power On, and here you can choose Home Screen, Last Used TV Input, or Cable Box. Click on Cable Box.
Okay, now watch this as she turns the power off. Now when you turn the power back on, this is where the magic comes in at. You'll see there's the cable box, there's TV. Wow.
No more home screen.
We straight to the point. If it was helpful, like and subscribe.
And if you're really feeling generous,
Hit that super thanks button.